你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We provide you free Chinese language courses. In today's lesson, we have two tasks. First, to learn about big numbers. We have learned from 1 to 10 in Chinese, but what's after 10? And task number 2 is to talk about ages, 年龄. You can jump to the part you are interested in. Now let's get started, shall we? Now everybody, please look at the screen. Quickly think, what is 1 to 10 in Chinese? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many of them do you still remember? It's okay. Now we know 10 is 10. What about 11, 12, and 13? Now look and read after me. 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13. Now, smart like you may have noticed it's 10 plus an exact number. Yes, exactly. So, 14, 非常好 14, 15, yes, 15, 很好 How about 20, 30 and 40? Now look and follow me. 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40. Again, some of you have noticed that it's the number how many times 10, right? For example, n times 10. Yes, exactly. So think now, what's 70? 非常好 70, 70. Yes. Now 21. Keep in mind it's 20 plus 1, so it would be 21. 很好 21. 22. The same. 22. 很好 22. Yes, now 35. 35. Yes, 35. Get it? Really? Let's have a quick test. 28. 28. This one? 41. This? 87. This one? Yes. 66. And this one? 53 exactly. And the last one? 99. Yes. 很好. Now let's move to part 2. 年龄 ages. Now keep in mind that in Chinese, it's very normal, often and common to ask others' ages. This is the difference between Chinese culture and the Western culture. So look at the screen. Two beautiful women are talking about ages. How can we ask others' age politely? Maybe in this way. Read and follow me. 你很漂亮。你今年多大了 You're very pretty. How old are you? Again. 你很漂亮。你今年多大了 And she can answer with this. 谢谢。我今年31岁。你呢 Thanks, I'm 32. And you? Again. 谢谢。我今年31岁。你呢 And she would answer, for example, this one. 我 34岁。我34岁。I'm 34. Yes. Now, this is a little bit special when we ask small kids. We use another expression like this. 你今年几岁了？ How old are you this year? Again, 你今年几岁了？ And the kid would answer with this. 我7岁了。我7岁了。Yes. Now, we know there are two expressions for ages, or two ways to ask ages. For small kids, we say, 你今年几岁了? And for others, we can ask like this. 你今年多大了? And the answer to both of the questions is the same. 我今年 blah 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 岁了. Yes, 很好. Quickly look at the vocabularies here. This year, 今年, 今年, and how much, how many? 几, 几. Please notice it's usually used when it's under 10. Again, 几. Now, years, age. 岁, 岁. How old? 多大, 多大. And the last one, 了, 了. It's a model word. It doesn't have any meaning. It's to express a casual tone. Again, let's read the vocabularies together. 今年, 今年, 几, 几, 岁, 岁, 多大, 多大, 了, 了. Easy, huh? Now we know how to ask age, but how can we ask these questions in Chinese? How old is he? Yes, 非常好。他今年多大了? And the answer can be like this. And question number 2, how old is your younger sister? Suppose she is under 10. We can say, 你妹妹今年几岁了? And the answer can be like this. You notice the difference is only in the subjects. Yes, we replace the subjects and it means totally different things. Okay, good. A little supplement. We know the common way to ask age, but for elderly, to show special respect, we can ask in this way. 您今年多大年纪了? 您今年多大年纪了? Good, huh? Okay, thanks for watching. That's all for today. And next course, we will talk about dates and weekdays. Hope to see you there, everybody. 再见!